welcome back to another video. I am Chef Jessica and this is my little sister Chef Juliebeth.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Juliebeth and today we're going to be making an Oreo milkshake.
This recipe is really special to me because my mom has always made it since I was small. I now make it for my siblings on Saturday morning when we eat breakfast, and Oreo milkshakes are one of my favorite milkshakes. Before we get into the recipe, we need to know what is user input.
What is user input?
User input is information a user inputs from a text on the keyboard or entries on a form, but there's more to user input than just typing and writing. An example of user input would be if Juliebeth were to ask me what I like on my milkshake, my response would be whipped cream, and my answer would be considered user input.
Now let's begin blending.
The ingredients that you will need for the milkshake is 6 Oreo cookies, 2.5 cups of softened French vanilla ice cream, 1/4 a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, whipped cream, and 2 maraschino cherries. In a blender, crush your cookies with a few pulses. After your cookies have been crushed, you are now going to add your vanilla ice cream and vanilla extract. You will blend until smooth. Now, after blending all your ingredients together, this is how your mixture should look. After blending everything together, we are now going to transfer our mixture into a glass cup. We are going to top it off with whipped cream. And don't forget your maraschino cherry.
And this is our final product of our milkshake. And today we learned what user input is and how to make an Oreo milkshake.
See everyone next video. Bye.
Bye.